In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent characters with GPT-4o. If you've ever wanted to bring more depth and consistency to the characters you generate using GPT-4o, this guide will walk you through an efficient process to achieve that. So let's dive right in and explore each step to mastering character consistency. First, you'll want to begin by opening ChatGPT. This is your key tool and the starting point for setting up a character creation process that is both streamlined and effective. Once you've got ChatGPT open, head over to the bottom left corner of the interface, where you'll see the profile icon. Clicking on this will reveal an array of options designed to help tailor your experience. Next, you'll select the personalization setting. This feature is essential as it allows you to customize the interactions you have with ChatGPT, making your character creation efforts more precise. Within the personalization options, you'll find the ability to adjust the personality of ChatGPT. Choose a personality that aligns closely with the type of character or narrative voice you wish to develop, setting the tone for consistent interactions. From here, you're ready to add custom instructions. These instructions serve as the foundational guide rules for your characters, dictating how the AI interacts, responds, and brings your characters to life in each generated conversation. Being detailed in your custom instructions enhances consistency and fluidity, so don't shy away from incorporating specifics about character traits, history, or worldview. Once you've finely tuned the parameters with custom instructions, the next important step is to toggle on reference saved memories. This setting enables ChatGPT to draw from past interactions and character data stored within its system, giving your characters a memory and maintaining any established traits or storylines across different chat sessions. It provides a seamless continuation of your character's narrative, ensuring they evolve over time in a consistent manner. If at any point you find that the mentioned settings aren't enough to produce the desired level of consistency, employing structured prompts can be a game changer. Structured prompts act as a more regimented guide for the AI, helping it adhere to a specific format or sequence as it crafts responses. These prompts can guide not only the language style, but also keep the character's personality and actions aligned with your envisioned storyline. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to creating consistent, engaging characters with GPT-4o, adding depth to your stories and narratives. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to refine and adjust your personalization settings and custom instructions as you become more comfortable with the process. Thank you for watching, and happy character creating.